the Harbinger Road Trip 100. This, in my opinion, is the best cheap battery powered or wall powered speaker that you can buy. The Mackie Thump Go and the JBL are really nice. Bose makes a good one too, but this sucker is less than 200 bucks. It's got a 10-inch speaker. Most of those other ones only have 6-inch speakers or 8-inch speakers. You've got combo jacks for 2 inputs. On input 3, you can do the regular old 1/4 inches, an 1/8 inch, or you can go over to Bluetooth, which is pretty sweet. You can either use a USB flash drive for audio, or it'll charge your phone with the built-in battery backup. You got wheels to carry it along with, so it's really easy to transport. It doesn't sound horrible. Is it an $800 QSE? No. Is it at least half of that? Definitely yes. I'd say it's about 70% of that. Especially when you're considering that it's less than 200 bucks. It's a 10-inch speaker. Plus you got your tweeters or whatever it comes with. You even get a dang microphone with it. Not bad. I recommend it. Buy the warranty from Guitar Center, because this is their house brand under Harbinger, which I know Harbinger is usually crap, but this one does not suck. I've used it before, and they do a direct swap out in store when it breaks. They don't ship it out for 3 months and wait for it to get repaired, because Guitar Center owns that brand. If it breaks, if some Karen spills beer on it while she's complaining you haven't played Wagon Wheel again for her, you can take it to the store the next day and they'll swap it out and give you a new one. No big deal. It's good enough to get by and cheap enough that you're not going to cry if it breaks, and easy to get it replaced. Hope you like this little review. It even lights up. Get some crazy mood lighting and do all the things. Have a great day. Peace.